Vocabulary Quiz 6.11. It was so blank this morning that when I woke up, I put on 3 pairs of socks. Apparent, sluggish, frigid, blizzard. 2. Brent is on a diet, so water is the only blank he can drink. Beverage, visible, blizzard, strategy. 3. Sloths are an extremely blank animal. They spend most of their time lying around in trees eating leaves. Frigid, sluggish, spurted, visible. 4. The explorer couldn't go any further up the snowy mountain because a blank made it unsafe. Beverage, visible, cautious, blizzard. 5. It's blank to me that all Kiko cares about is money. She always has to wear the fanciest clothes and own the most expensive toys. Sluggish, apparent, spurted, frigid. Number 6. Which activity requires the most strategy? Tying your shoes, jumping into cold water, playing chess, making change for $1. 7. Which of these things cannot be budged? A bicycle, a mountain, a box of tissues, a lion. 8. Which is an example of the word visible? That lunch was delicious because David is such a great cook. Beatrice is such a talented swimmer. No one can beat her in the pool. Some people think Jessica is cold, but she's always been nice to me. The scar on Malcolm's chin was easy for all to see. Number 9. Which item would be most likely to spurt? A drinking fountain, a clothes dryer, a box of crayons, a Rubik's Cube. 10. Which is an example of the word cautiously? Racing down a hill on a skateboard, testing the water in a pool to see how cold it is, digging into a delicious-looking piece of cake, studying at the last minute for a test that you had not prepared for.